In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your AirPods. The first thing we need to do is to disconnect them from our Apple ID / our iCloud account. To do this, you want to go into the settings application, and from here you want to click into Bluetooth, and you should see your AirPods listed in the settings here. All you need to do is to click on the little eye information icon next to these AirPods, and this will take you to your AirPod settings. All you need to do is click on forget this device at the very bottom, and then you want to click on forget this device. And here it's going to prompt you that it's going to remove this device from your iCloud account. So once you're ready, you want to click on forget device. As you can see, it's now disappeared off our Bluetooth settings and it's fully been taken off our iCloud account. All we need to do now is to factory reset our AirPods Pro so we can delete any remaining information. To do this, we first want to open the AirPods case and you want to make sure the earbuds are inside. Once we've done this, you want to flip the case open and you want to find the button on the back and you want to press and hold this button until the LED at the front starts flashing white. Now you want to hold this button for around 5 to 15 seconds until the LED at the front starts flashing amber. As you can see, it is now flashing amber, which means our AirPods have now been fully reset. So we can remove our finger off the button, close the AirPods case, and they are now ready to be passed on to the new owner. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.